You when they watch me, your good no go kill you. Person when you do good for, nobody go kill you because of your good. Na one woman, because she help her junior sister build house, her junior sister wey dey Europe, e help her junior sister build house. Na im the senior brother say e remove sugar comot for a month. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just dey dengue post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. This video go long, go abeg, and make we just sit down and watch and finish. If you busy, keep am. Anytime you get chance, you just plug am. So if you dey watch am. So na about this our sister. She say when she come Europe, she get serious relationship, and the guy na nice person. And she herself, she say she be nice person too. And two of them dey just match, skirt and blouse wey match. People for the area sef, they even dey jealous. They say both of them too good, they too match, they too do this. He say as she come dey make money, she come dey get money. So his sister wey senior am 2 times for Nigeria, for Bongo, that one come advise am say make she build that since she dey get money. Then I come say okay, that his sister come help am. He come build the house. After she finish the house, come still tell am say the house don finish. Then she say okay, make she just still go, make she go look the house. As she dey go, she come buy car, very nice car like that. Come still buy am, carry go house. As she reach her, she can't use the car then get pose because she suffer for her money, you know. He can't use her then get pose. But when the senior brother come the house, he just walk around the house, he see the house. He come surprise say his junior sister build this kind of house without him not knowing when be the senior brother. He said now he's supposed to build the house. That his sister remove sugar comot for him mouth. As a senior son, na him supposed to do all this thing. So the quarrel come dey between the senior brother and the sister wey build house. They can't even fight sef. Na she come dey separate the fight. Come tell them make dem no fight again. Come try to settle them. Come try to separate the fight before she come comot. So you know say person wey go house, when from abroad go house, if the person dey comot, they no dey talk. Now this video now really see reason why many people no dey talk if they wan comot, and it's very good. This video na lesson to everybody, even myself na lesson to me. He say so he come back. He say when he come back, that he boyfriend wey be say that dey sweet, that dey jolly together, so quarrel, fight. That is, e come be like say as he go house come back, the quarrel come too much. And the fault na from her. She say she no go learn, na she dey get na she dey bring the quarrel dey come. He say if you just see the guy, go just dey vex for am. He no like the guy again. The guy be like ghost for his eye. He no wan see the guy again. Say the guy try to stay, the guy try to pet her. He say but she no dey gree. Na so the guy come talk say he no do again. The guy comot. Immediately the guy comot, he no tey. He say her eyes come clear, come say wetin he dey do. So this guy na somebody wey dem don dey together for years. They dey very okay. This guy no do anything wrong. Why he come dey get this kind of feeling for this his boyfriend? He come call the boyfriend back. The guy come back. And immediately he still come back, she starts again. The guy come comot. When he still call her again, because if he comot, the eye go clear. If he come house, the quarrel go dey. He say now the guy say he no fit again, or he no dey come back again this time around. He say the guy no come. Now then he come dey alone. Before you know, he come say jam another guy again. He and that guy come dey together. You know tey. The okra when the brother plant, he come out. They come born pikin. They come dey together. So now the guy come talk say he wan marry and make dem go house, go do introduction. From there they'll plan marriage. They carry pikin, all of them go house together. They reach house. My people. Now fight. Now they fight from house, come back to Europe. Not be even marriage they can't do again, much more introduction. Now so they take fights, come back to Europe. As they say come back to Europe, now so the quarrel consider. He say all this quarrel, he say na her fault. He come they look the baby father as ghost. He say so the baby father come comot. He hair come see clear. He come see call am. The guy come see come. They come say start quarrel again. The guy come dey try to beg am to make her understand say this one no be ordinary again. Okay, if na so, he come send her go back to Nigeria make he go meet that pastor wey dey Warri. Wetin be name? I don forget him name. He come say make he go meet the pastor. He come go meet that pastor. He say as he still go come back, nothing change. The same wahala upon wahala. He even get the time wey be say this guy stay with am for 3 days dey beg am say wetin dey happen. He say lele no want the relationship again. The guy must comot. The guy come dey beg am, I offend you, wetin I do? He say the guy must, he no want the relationship again. Na so the guy come comot. As the guy comot, e eye come clear. He come dey beg the guy. The guy say he no go come back. He come even call people, call him brother, call other people, say make they help am beg the guy. The guy say lele he no dey come back. The guy no come back to am. He say na so everything. Even this same our sister sef, he come meet me for hookup. I come say okay, I come arrange one correct guy for am. He see the guy picture, he say he like am. Okay, make we do video call, make dem first see each other for video call before dem come talk of exchange of phone number. As he never even spend 2 seconds for video call. He say no, lady T, no, lady T, no. I say you cool down now. If he no even wait, make the guy even utter one word. He just reject am instantly. I say na who wear shoe, na him know where the pain am. No fit force you. Now I come say okay, no problem. Na so we take rest for the matter. Not knowing that something dey inside. So he say na so he come dey live him life for things dey get as e be for man matter. No man, he just dey like that. Any man he just dey with. The first time he say I need dey friendly for just a casual friend. They like her. If the guy dey talk to her, they go like each other. If you don reach time say marriage, na there wahala dey start. He say she herself cause the time no dey again. Ogoro don dey hold. Wetin dey happen? She dey think about her life. But wetin make am carry this matter come here today now, na be this one. He say that his sister wey help am build house. That his sister come get belle. As she wan born, she come born. She born the pikin come out. But immediately the pikin come out, flower no gree stop. Na so the flower dey pump like tap. They stop flower, stop for where? Before you notice the apple, na so she take faint. Before you notice the apple, she enter coma. They come dey do na coma she come dey. They come fix all these things wey they fix for her body. For good 2 weeks now, the sister dey coma. E no dey shake, e no dey do anything. Then the husband of the sister come say this kind thing they never see am before. Then the family of the, say I tell una say they no get mama get papa again. Then the family of the man say no, this kind thing no go fit happen. They no fit just quiet. May person dey inside river, may soap dey enter eye. Then they say no, they must find solution. Now all of them pull leg for outside though. They waka go outside. The one you go prophet place, go prophet place. The one you go pastor place, go pastor place. The one you go babalawo, go baba. Different places now all of them. So even travel distance. As they go come back, now one result now they get. Wetin be the result? They say na his senior brother. Now they see for his body. Now they come say all of them not feel lie. Okay, now they come go meet the senior brother. Brother, your sister they sick oh. See wetin they do as they talk say e dey for coma. May you come see your sister. He say no they come. He no gree go. Now they go back. Now they say abi they make mistake. Now they shook leg for outside again. The another side where they first go, they face this direction before. They say Now they face another direction. They walk around different places again. The same result. Now they come and say, now this their brother. Now they say no. This time around, now they tie their wrapper. Now they charter bus. All the family of the husband enter inside the bus, go meet his wife senior brother. He said, where we still go again now? Now your hands. Now they still see for inside. You know fit talk say you don't know what did happen to your sister. Now there this senior brother come agree oh. He said na truth oh. He said na in hands. Something dey happen for this life sha. Sometimes I saw this story if I dey talk I see they think about my life. Not be alone now they learn, me too they learn. He said na truth. He said because that house wey he build for this their sister so. He said na he supposed to build am. As a senior son, he remove sugar comot for him mouth. He say na wetin vex am be that. He carry her name go 4 different otonokpo place, 4 different. He carry her picture go. He swear for am say because na him be senior brother, he remove sugar comot for him mouth. Then wetin he do be that? He agree. Now the court say that thing wey you do, you need to reverse am because this woman she dey coma. Then he come carry the husband family go all the 4 places. Now the court say they fit do am, but they need to go meet the woman for hospital, go do this thing. Please, as you are watching this video, share, so that people go learn. No, don't be stingy with it. Please share it. He say so. They come say they'll go hospital, go do the thing for inside hospital, so that everything go dey okay. Now they come reach hospital. As they reach hospital, hospital people say lele, they no go allow this otonokpo people enter this hospital. They come do beg. After much and done, they come finally allow them enter the hospital, enter the, you know say na person wey dey come and I know they move, how much more say go waka come out hospital wey be say they go do the thing for am. They need to enter inside the theater, that whether na theater, that place now where they put all those big machine where they take the hand. They need to enter inside. So after much talk, the otonokpo people come enter inside. They come go do and say they don't reverse the course. Now they come comot. But now 2 days now when they say reverse the course, so she never wake up. They come comot. He say for day when they think about her life, say how brother go do this kind of thing to their sister? She will be say now she get money when they take builders. Wetin you think say the brother go do to her? Only somebody when they say the messenger. Because I dey hear when they always they use this parable say unagu ko egbu ko. This message no go kill this woman. The woman is just a messenger. Okay, they fit do this kind of thing to a messenger. Okay, the person wey come kukuma get money wey build house, e no tell senior brother. Wetin una expect say they go do that one? She come send me the picture of this woman when she take dey coma. Oh my God. When I see the picture, I shed tears. Because wetin this woman do? They help sister, now she help sister. She dey feel the pains. Now the little baby, e never even see pikin for eye. Now another person dey take care of the pikin. She dey struggle for her life. She just dey there lifeless. Say, I help my sister. Her good no go kill her. I'm gonna pray for her. May God restore her back. Because if you look at many people, they don't send money to Africa. Say, help me do this. They know they see block how much more land. They go even see beauty put. But this young lady, she's just less than 40 years. She built this house, a beautiful house like that, for her sister. She said she don't want make her sister be among people wey go abroad, wey be say they know nothing to write home about. She said make her sister sweat for no waste. At least if he come back, as she come that day, she use her knack chest say, see, now my home be this. So sister go still build the house. They go collect her from your hand. They go do you may not see her take come house. So this woman now, he no get house. Say this one na my home. So if they do their home, they go they do your home. But this one, he no get say I do my own, I do my sister own. She use all her heart to do this house for her. Now what they want pay and put be that? Mona tell me where this woman for wrong. Say she help her sister. Maybe this sister wey carry this house contract give this his sister so. He see the senior brother before he give this his sister. Oh. The thing really touched me. I no lie to you people. Because somebody when do good like that, it can't be say the good come turn. See the husband now, he dey run up and down. He dey run up and down for good wey him wife do. If all those places where they waka go na money, na they spend for good wey him wife do. As she even did that hospital, they say a day is 80,000 naira for the machine where they put for her body because she dey coma. All the machine where they, I see everything where they put for her body. 80,000 naira a day. Not be the hospital be the bed be. no be the medicine wey dem dey give am, be the injection wey dem dey inject am for where she lie down put for there, all those one no dey o. Only the this machine wey dem fix for her body is 80,000 a day, and she don dey there for 2 weeks. Where dem wan for see this kind of money wey dem wan pay? How long she wan stay for this coma wey e be say she go come wake up? I pray make she wake up. And this money na wetin the family must pay, the husband must pay, and the sister, the junior sister must pay, just because of favor wey you do for your junior sister. As a senior brother, you come house, your junior one do wetin you no fit do, or you fit still do am, you first of all, thank you, you try when you take do this thing, but una for tell me, na so e for reach, or where my share, dem for still give you your share if na that one, because e go too far to come carry your own junior sister. This one I dey tell una, so the same mama, the same papa. Oh, things dey happen for this life o. No say this one na the same papa, the same mama o. Just be careful. I say sometimes when I dey lis ten to people matter, if something just happen to me for my family or anywhere, I go shocking. I dey shocking, not be say I dey fear o. That's why we need to learn from all this story. If you are doing something, you do with care. As the brother just dey make wahala that day, like say this woman no say na so you go come reach. If for your put it 2 knees for ground, dey beg am. Okay, this our sister now say the issue now be say, if this the brother fit do im own sister wey help am like this, e wey be say e no come take am as a senior brother, e come go give junior brother, junior sister, e no give senior brother, wetin you think say e go do to her? E say e just dey think, her head just scatter, say if im brother fit do this one, say no be say dem suspect her, e use im mouth take talk am, say na 4 places na e carry sister picture and name go. Okay, e come dey talk say, okay, if im brother fit do his sister this kind thing, who be she wey e no go fit do? E say e come carry phone, e come call im brother, see wetin e dey hear. I don tire to dey settle una. Every time una go dey quarrel, na me be the small one for the house. Every time na me go carry una problem, na me go carry quarrel dey settle, na me go dey do everything. Me I dey abroad, I never marry. Nobody don dey tell me about my marriage. My relationship no dey work. Nobody dey tell me about myself. Nobody dey think about me for a year. Every time house problem. He say I still tell the brother that word, the brother come quiet, he no talk. Now he off phone. He said the next day, now the brother sent video of native doctor wey dey do all this incarnation, dey talk for am. Then the brother come do voice note under the video. He say, my sister, when you talk to me yesterday, I really feel for you, I pity you, I feel your pains. Now make me go this place, say make I find solution to this your problem, and na the solution na be this video wey me send for you. So for the video, they come dey speak their language, and this girl say don't tell me comot for her, say no dey too hear the language like that again. But the few things wey she hear from inside, even the video send that to me I no dey hear the language, so I forward am to people wey e dey hear the language, make dem explain am to me. Na the same thing na dey explain. The man come dey talk, dey incarnate, dey talk for inside, say this girl so they be do am, say as he go house, carry car go house, go build house, he come see buy car go house, then get pose. They be do am, say he no go see eye take come back to Europe. They be do am, say he no go see eye take come back to Europe, he go rot for Nigeria for there, he no go fit comot. He say na wetin they do. He say but before they say make they go plan am, do am, they don hear say she don dey Europe. So before she comot, she no even tell anybody. They ask am, say I think you still there, when you wan comot? He say I go comot in 2 months time, whereas na that day they comot. Na so this our sister take succeed, they come enter Europe. So as they see say they no come fit hold her, make she come tamba for Nigeria. Now they say na husband don take do am, say no man go marry her. Her husband they go dey give another person. Her husband they go dey give another person. Any man they come from, they go dey give another person. either na she go dey reject the man or the man go dey reject am. That's why you see say if she dey into any relationship, once the boy don say marriage, immediately they say marriage, na so the relationship dey cut. And many people dey get this similar problem, but you no know where that problem from dey come. You go dey with man, sometimes we'll say men do this o, men do that o. Sometimes go look house, go look your background, go look where you from come, because na sometimes na things dey push all these men to dey do all these things. Because as I hear this our sister story, I surprise. Na something dey push dem. Man wey be say e don show you love before, tomorrow go dey turn back. Na the same thing, this thing dey happen to me, especially this Europe, many women for this Europe, e dey happen to them. You go see dem say dem go dey 40 something going to 50, they never marry, and they no dey even dey think of to marry. Wetin dem go dey think? My sister children never pay school fees, my sister children dey university where they train, my sister children they go dey do. I know somebody wey dey do two different kind of work. E dey work like Jackie, e no get pikin, all the money my sister, my sister, my sister children, my brother children. E dey happen like that. He say so na so they take do this. Her sister say marriage, husband, e no go see for eye. He say when he come lis ten to the video, he come say this one na true confession. Na him brother dey confess say this and this, because at the end of the video they come talk say the only solution, she go buy goats, she go buy fowl, she go buy many things for sacrifice to take appease the gods. He say na only that one go be the solution, and she need to buy them. Now say your brother say make you, he say brother never ever tell am say make him buy them, but na the solution wey him brother bring come be this. So e come be like say the brother conscience dey judge am say wetin he do to them, his sister, him younger one, so e no good. So he dey try to go revise the things. He say na so the thing come be like, because his sister own now wey e dey coma now, he don revise that one, although that one never wake. So he wan try to revise her own, but wetin dem ask her to buy, she come bring this matter come this platform now say okay, wetin dem say make she buy am or make she not buy. Because he discuss this thing with somebody else, the person say make he kukuma buy am, because Bible say give what belongs to Caesar, so that make he buy am, make dem leave am for waste. But she say she no be all those kind of person wey dey do all this otonokpo matter. He say na Almighty God na him know, na him dey serve. Well then go dey right, make him buy those things give the brother, since the brother say wan go appease the gods, make he use am appease am, so that they go leave am for waste. As Bible don already talk say give what belongs to Caesar, and make he kukuma buy the things give am, make he take go do the sacrifice, make dem leave am for waste. Wetin you think when she go do? He say no sleep for night. Early in the morning he call me, I surprise. Now I say abeg, e still earlier. Early in the morning na she just take call me, say no sleep for night since when he watch the video. Even the video sef, if you see the kind of otonokpo wey dey that place, na so dem dey do am like this. I no even fit look the video. I only put earpiece to lis ten, whether I fit lis ten. And she say she no even look the video. Na earpiece she still look, because if you see the kind big otonokpo wey dey there, my people, matter don come again o. Wetin una think? The main part now be say abeg, make we pray for this our sister wey dey coma. Make God strength his healing hands upon her, make she for wake up, make she not pass am, and make she quick wake up, because as day dey break, the money dey increase. And for this our sister too, make he do all these things wey brother say make he do. As e be say he don change him mind now, say he don bring the solution come, because na who do something na him come still know the solution. You know, there is sometimes wey be say something wey lost, person wey thief your thing dey follow you dey find am, you no go see am. But person wey thief your thing, if he dey follow you dey find am, and he wan really give you, he go direct you to the way when you go take see am. So wetin una think about this option wey he bring? Make he really go do those things, or make he not do? Make una remember o, he say as person tell am say make he give the brother everything wey dem need, make dem for leave am for waste, because na still Bible na talk say give what belongs to Caesar. Wetin una think, my people? Abeg, opinion e need for this video. Abeg, she say she need una opinion. She dey see una hard work, how una dey contribute for other people matter. Na im make im still bring am come here make una contribute. Abeg, my precious people, my beautiful people, the WhatsApp voice recording group, abeg una, I thank una. Even the comment section too, I tuale too. Abeg, mo be real here. Which is the best advice to do? Make she just dey pray, or make e go meet strong pastor, or make e give what belongs to Caesar, or make e go find strong pastor. But mona remember say e say e don first go worry o. Mona remember that part. So anyone una talk, you say go follow una decision wey una make for the comment section and for the voice recording. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl. Anyone you call me, I dey there for you. True Dreams with Lady T. Please share this video, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can watch more of our video, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Please share. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.